How to buy hosting from Bluehost. Hey guys, Salehin with One Click Solution, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to purchase hosting from Bluehost step by step. Bluehost is an excellent web hosting company. Bluehost is by far one of my favorite website hosting company today. By following this purchase Bluehost hosting tutorial, not only will you be signed up with Bluehost in just a few minutes, but you will receive a free domain name with your hosting. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we are always posting new WordPress tutorial. Let's dive in. The first step is to visit Bluehost to get started in signing up with Bluehost. I provided a link to Bluehost in this description. Feel free to give a click and follow me step by step. Once you click the link, the main website will appear and you will see the green Get Started Now button. Click on the button to continue to the next step. You will now be on a page that shows Bluehost's plans, pricing and features. The most popular plan is the Plus plan, as this includes unlimited website, add-on domains, bandwidth, storage and email accounts. If you only need one website, then the basic plan is the best option for you. You can always upgrade the Plus or Pro plan at the later date. Once you find the Bluehost plan that works best for you, just hit the selection button on the plan to continue to the next step. Now it's time to choose a domain name for your website. What's awesome is you will get a free domain name with your Bluehost web hosting. You will see on the left hand side a box where you can put in the domain name you would like. It's free, and then you can select the domain extension like .com, .net, .org, etc. My recommendation will be select .com if you can. Otherwise, the second option can be .net. These two are the most popular extensions. If you already have a domain name, then you just need to enter it on the right hand side box. Click next to continue to the next step. One thing to keep in mind is, if your domain name is not with Bluehost, you will want to change your name server's plan to Bluehost with whatever company you are using for your domain name. If you need help in doing this, just send me an email and I will guide you through this. Additionally, Bluehost's friendly customer service team can quickly assist you with this by chat, phone or email. You now want to input your account information with your name, account details, etc. Next, you will see plan options to select. You can purchase plan for 12 months, 24 months, 36 months or even 60 months. You will notice the longer you buy your hosting, for the better discount you will get with your web hosting. You will see some extra services that might be selected, consisting of SiteLock domain security, Site Backup Pro, Search Engine Jumpstart, and domain privacy. I recommend that you consider domain privacy. This will keep your contact information private, so it's not out on the web for telemarketers or marketers to get a hold of to call you and buy you about services they offer. The other three add-ons really are not necessary. If you plan on using WordPress for your site, there are free alternatives that work just as great, but this is entirely up to you. The last step is buying your hosting from Bluehost is to fill out your billing information. Once you enter your billing information, click on the next button or submit button. You have now successfully purchased your Bluehost web hosting. Once you have purchased your Bluehost web hosting, you will receive a receipt via the email. You will also be mailed your Bluehost control panel by mail, which is also known as cPanel. Here is what the Bluehost cPanel looks like once you are logged in. That is all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this how to buy hosting from Bluehost. Additionally, in the description, I will provide contract links of good web designer and developer. If you want, you can hire them to make your website professional, smart as you want. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress videos. Thank you.